Oh, what is up, guys? It's Mike
and Jake,
and we are here today to do some try not to laugh challenge. We're gonna try not to laugh.
It's not gonna work.
And we're gonna have a dare at the end, or like a challenge at the end for the loser.
We'll count how many times the other person laughs.
We'll make that up when we finish.
Yeah, because. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Hi, agemasu.
Whoa.
Ma'am, put your hands up. Ma'am, we have a runner requesting backup. White female, 3 weeks old.
I'm scared. Oh no! Aww.
That looks like you.
It's gonna bite the ear.
It looks like it's you. Like you look like the person. It's like you got your.
Yeah, it's biting the ear. That's what I say.
That's what. That looks like. If that was Bear, that would make so much sense for it to be you. That's one laugh.
Just look at his face.
How did I know you swallowed a baby last night? I can't do cats. I can't do cats. I can't do cats.
It's so sad.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I can't do cats. I can't do cats. You were close on that one.
This runner thinks he's a goat. Oh my god.
He has so many balls in his mouth.
He has so many nuts in his mouth. That's all I want to say. Oh my god.
500 miles an hour. Estoy buscando aquí la tapa de la basura del tacho de basura. Going to the vet. Time to get some shots. That's the way we do it over here.
It's a desert fox.
Oh.
That's my Instagram photo. That's like my Instagram, like.
Oh, it's a fish. The cat wants
Fish!
Yeah, get the fish. Go get it. Yeah.
Cats are so stubborn.
Whoa.
Oh, Z, don't be so sassy.
Oh my god, that was so hilarious.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Oh my gosh.
What's the same dog? Oh my god. I don't know what's gonna be in there. It's a ferret! Oh my god! So cute.
I'm losing 3-0.
Work, 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 work. You see me heavy work, 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 work. You see me do me that. There's something about that work,
Doug the pug. Is he eating those? Is he eating them or is he just like... Was he like eating them or not? I love cats. This is why I love cats. Pig. Pig.
Oh my. Oh my gosh. Did they hit the cat?
Know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh my god.
That is not me because I still haven't done my science homework.
I haven't either.
But look at the water. It's like so oily from the dog.
Look at the
God.
dog's face. That's what Bear does to Coco. That is what Bear does to Coco.
If you don't know what Bear Coco is, Bear is his small dog, but
And Coco's my bigger dog.
Bear's like his newer dog. So like she's you can
Chihuahua.
finances. Alright, that's alright.
The lizard.
抽抽笑一个，哎，对，好，笑。
It's
I just want you to dance with me tonight.
no, don't hit the kitty. That's a drunk.
Rolling.
Come here, Tucker. Tucker. Come here. Come here.
Detective. That's actually a great idea. I need to get one of those like dog things to do that when someone pours me a drink. He's happy. I'm just waiting for Jerry to come up here.
Oh, he's spazzing out. Oh my god. That's the noise Bear.
Yep, that's me. That's me. Oh! I feel like one of them's gonna fart. It's a fox!
Is it too late now to say sorry?
Oh.
Oh yeah, Piggy?
Get him, Piggy.
fluffy.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She's a in the family. Pretty codes in the
Dry. Often seems to enjoy it.
Oh my god.
Do you think we need to turn on the April air?
Doggo, are those baby ferrets? I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. No.
I don't think those are ferret.
Those are ferrets.
I don't think
Those are baby ferrets.
They don't look like ferrets.
Those are chinchillas. Or,
Chinchillas.
I don't know, there's something.
They're guinea pigs.
If Gabe the dog comes up, I'm leaving, okay? If Gabe the dog comes up, I'm leaving.
Oh my gosh.
Savage.
Oh my god.
Baby ducks! It's like those are baby ducks! I know, there needs to be some. Oh, it's good.
Is he like stuck? Oh wait.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Waking up in the morning. Oh my god.
Okay, fine. Do yoga. Good boys.
Oh my god. Dog is funny. Thank you guys for watching. We will show you guys what we are doing as the challenge for me because I lost 4-0.
3-0.
4-0. You didn't hear me laugh. Well, 4-0. Well, we're gonna have the challenge. We're gonna put it in the same video. It'll be coming up soon. What is up, guys? We are back with
Hey,
my death challenge.
Yeah!
Okay, so we're gonna be pouring 2 pieces of ice down my underwear.
For each
For
lap.
every laugh. And I had laughed
So
4
8 in
times,
all.
so 8 in all. Jacob's gonna be holding the camera.
Alright, guys. And Mike, let's put all of them in his underwear. This was suggested by a friend that we saw earlier today.
And we are going, I have to sit down
After. Because he has in your underwear.
Ready?
4 in the front, 4 in the back.
In the front?
No, just put them all in the back. No, not the front, chill. Don't go there. Are they in? Oh god, they're all empty. It's empty.
I gotta sit. Ah! Oh, it's going in my butt. Oh,
Oh god.
it's-
You almost fell off. No, you can stay sitting.
oh, it's dripping.
Because you didn't bring excess underwear with us, sir.
I feel cold.
Do you feel that inside?
Yes.
I don't know.
I'm gonna put it up to my balls.
No.
I can't. It's so cold.
What? Oh my god! He pooped it out!
3, 4, 5.
You have to put this in your mouth next.
Like 3 of them were at my penis. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's the This is one of them at my balls. Come on. Get down there.
Yay! Are you triggered?
Oh my god.
He's just like waddling.
It's so cold.
You have to pick this up and put them in the sink over there, okay? Did you actually lick it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see all you dudes in the next video.